ZK po is a toddler. Anxious po siya sa tubig. Ayan po siya. Hi, ZK. Hi, okay. So, show me. Walk ka muna dito. Dito muna. Dito. Slowly, ZK, slowly. Yan. Before, ayaw niya po dyan. Hindi po siya nakakalakad dyan dahil sa kanyang anxiety sa tubig. Ayan. Dati, inaalalayan ko siya. Dati dito lang po siya nag-walk. Tapos hawak-hawak ko pa siya, then nag-transition kami dito. Yung mga ganitong mga kids po kasi, if they are anxious or they have such fear sa tubig, we cannot really force them. Hindi na po obra ngayon yung strict na bigla mo silang itatapon or what. Bawal po yun. Makakasama, lalong-lalo sa kanilang emotional mental health. Ayan. Okay, ZK, very good. Nice. Can you go down? Doon? Can you go? Dito. Go with me. Ayan. Hindi ko na siya masyadong inaalalayan. And then later we'll use the kickboard. I'll show it to you. He can do the basic flutter kicks naman. Pero pag nandito na kami nakalutang with his kickboard, ayun, medyo anxious pa uli siya. Hindi siya masyado makagalaw ng kanyang legs. But I believe sooner, with patience and a lot of heart, ayan, makaka-swim din si CK soon. Very good, CK. That's good. Can you bubbles? And I encourage him to bubbles as well. Unti-unti. Ayaw niya din na nilulubog yung kanyang nose, eyes. Yes, that's good. Can you give me one more? Yes, sir. Very good. So good. Good. Okay. Good. Oh, very good. Again. Go. Huh? 2, 3, 4. Bye. Dito. Bye. Wait for me.